I thought this looked like a body and ribs and a head, like a face and a neck. I'm telling you, looks like some kind of a ghouly, ghosty skeleton. I just wanted to share that. You know? Alright. I'm telling you, that's what I see. Beard. Kinda. Or not. Just a chin. Yeah, no beard. I'm telling you, that really looks like a... That's weird. It's just me. Sometimes people can look up into a cloud and, you know, see a sheep. Or whatever. I just happen to see something different here. Look at his lips and a nostril. It still looks like it to me. I'm waiting for it not to look like it. It's got a big head like, you remember the movie where the monster's invisible in the jungle? But it can kill you anyways. But then when you can see it, I think it had a big head like that, a big thing coming off the back of its head. Weird conversation, isn't it?